everybody and welcome to today's video. So, I'd like to begin today's video not with language but instead with a number. 52 days. But why 52 days? Well, 52 days is the average amount of time that a person from Britain spends on their phone every year. Yes, that's right, in a year. To be exact, that is 74,825 hours. And that amount of time clearly shows that mobile phones have the ability to motivate, engage, and interest us. And so yes, the topic of today's video is this object that we spend so much time with, and specifically how it can help us to study English. Those everyday features of a smartphone or those popular common apps that we use a lot and how they can help us improve. Of course, as ever, before I begin, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to click subscribe. That way you'll never miss out on any of our great videos. But without any further waiting, let's get on to today's video. And I'd like to begin today's video by introducing you to a friend of mine. This is Greg Alito. Greg Alito spends hours a day studying English. And although his English is improving, he doesn't always have the time or desire to spend hours sitting at a desk with a book. Instead, he needs something a bit more interactive. So, what about this, Greg Alito? Okay, but how can this help Greg Alito learn English? To begin, change the language of your mobile phone to English. This means that the voice operating system of your mobile phone will only work in English, which will give you a great opportunity for speaking practice when you use your virtual assistant, such as Alexa or Siri. And you'll also sharpen your pronunciation, as you have to speak clearly for the voice recognition software to understand you. And of course, don't forget about the listening practice that you get when you listen to its responses. In addition to helping your speaking and listening, changing the language of your phone will also mean that you pick up mountains of new vocabulary. From social media, GPS apps or weather apps, and just from generally operating your phone. They'll all help improve your reading ability and, in the case of social media, your writing ability too. To make sure you learn this vocabulary effectively, you should keep a vocabulary list on your phone. You could also add in vocabulary from your normal studies as well, and recap on it whenever you have a moment. Or if you want to recap on it even more, screenshot it and use it as your wallpaper. In addition to a written list, you can also have picture lists as well. Take a picture of those things or scenes that you don't know the words for. Then learn the vocabulary and save the pictures in a separate file for you to revisit later. Or if you're very dedicated, edit the photo by putting words on it. Your speaking ability can also be improved by using a voice recorder. It could be your Lexis, pronunciation, or pace. Every time you listen back to yourself, you'll become aware of an area in which you need to work on. Every time you write something on your phone, write it in English for some extra writing practice. So, maybe it's in your notes section of your phone, when you do your to-do lists or shopping lists, or when you're making plans in a calendar app, or even when using a search engine. Always write in English. And the beauty of this is that the autocorrect feature will also provide you with a bit of help sometimes if you don't get it quite right. Okay, so now we have a happy Greg Alito. Let's recap on how he and you can improve your English using a mobile phone. So there you go, some ways in which a mobile phone can help you practice and improve your English. As ever, please don't forget to like this video, to share it everywhere, and of course click subscribe. And thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time for more language fun. So, goodbye from me. Hey Siri. Goodbye Siri.
Nice talking with you.
And goodbye from Siri.